Is your HP printer suddenly showing offline in Windows 11?
Yeah, it's super frustrating. I've dealt with this too. But the good news? It's usually not a big problem, and you can fix it in minutes.
First, go to your printer settings and make sure Use Printer Offline is turned off.
Next, restart the print spooler service. It refreshes everything instantly.
And double-check your Wi-Fi connection. Your printer and PC need to be on the same network. That's it. Simple, quick, and it works most of the time. Follow for more easy tech fixes.